Today I'm going to show you how to do a round brush blowout. This is Kristen, and we're just going to jump right in. So what I like to do is dry 80% of my hair before I start the round brushing. Saves on your arm strength. Sometimes I even stand up and blow dry my hair upside down for volume as well. So. I stand up just to dry my hair and kind of turn it upside down because it's easier for me to reach with the length of my hair. And I feel like I'm still a little bit dry, or a little bit wet rather, right underneath. Okay, then I'll brush and section. Just use your brush to section. I like to section it right around the ear, in the back, and then do that in half. And just section a chunk. Wind that up, put it in the clip, do the other side the same, around the same place. So this is when I take my round brush and I will start the back section. Take your blow dryer, have the nozzle pointing to where your brush is, concentrator it's called. You're not getting all your hair. Just re-section it, keep rolling it out. That's how you get the volume. And then go to your next back section. Okay, then we're going to go to the next section. When you're doing this on yourself, makes you very thankful for your stylist in the studio. It's a lot less work doing it on somebody else than yourself when you have long hair. It's just real talk. Okay, so we're going to the next one. Just repeat. Ready? You want to concentrate more on the base, right at the roots, then you do the ends. Get that dry first. Okay, now you can probably go down to one clip as you're going up. So you're just twisting with your wrist as you're pulling. You're trying to use your blow dryer to blow with your cuticle of your hair. Helps your hair stay healthier, which is important to everyone, and gives you a little bit of lift, getting right at the root. As you go toward the front, you'll section that as well. You can just do it with your fingers. When you get to this part so you can see it better, kind of just do a twist, clip. So for me, because I have wavy hair, I really want to concentrate on the roots especially, but for me, getting this round brush right in there at the roots is perfect for making it smooth. You can always turn the concentrator to be how you need it on your hair dryer. Always blowing down on that cuticle. Okay, now leave that top up and do the next extra, the other side. Okay, then just section it into little pieces as you get to this top. And that's where you want the most volume. It's on these top pieces. So we're gonna do the same, but then we're gonna switch to So after getting it all the way dry, you flip the other way. Just for the sake of volume, the way you want it. Okay, then take the next piece. Divide this into two. And still use the clip, just to clip that out of the way. Then you'll switch it to the other side. Or other direction, you can go back. It's just where you get your lift. So trying different directions will give you volume up there. Then you can go back the way you originally wanted it. Just gives you that nice lift, the base. And then last, I will do this little section right here. So then you have a nice blowout. At this point, I also like to use marula oil light. I spray it on my hands rather than put it on my hair because my hair is a bit fine and I don't want it to be too weighed down. So any place you have flyaways, it's perfect for flyaways and the ends to just give you a shine and also control any leftover little frizz. So that's how you do a blowout. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.